Hi, it's Crafty G here, and today we're going to be doing an unwrapping of jewelry subscription I got from Solarie, I think. So I'm going to open it up. I need to get scissors, so hang tight for a second. I forgot my scissors. But okay, so here we go. Welcome to my crafty room, and this is my crafty room where I do all my crafts. So today we're going to do this unboxing today of the Solarie subscription box. I have no idea. I've never had it. And this is the Select Club. Nicely wrapped up. Ooh, nice little box. There it is, Solarie. And I'm really excited. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, a little something. Special awaits. Your unboxing enters to win you $300 worth of jewelry. Post unboxing videos. Aha! And I'll follow and tag you. Okay, I'm excited. So let's see. So we have two little things here. That one, thanks for being part of Solarie or Soleil. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm excited for this exclusive piece. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so let's see. Oh, it has a little thing. Oh, this is great. So, okay, it's in here. I don't know what I got. Oh, so let's see what this month's jewelry was. Oh, it's cute. It's a little cherries. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, I'll have to post a picture too because it's so cute. The two little cherries. Okay, so let's see. I'll just put it on just so you can see it, and I'll take a picture. There's. Let's see. I always have trouble. Okay. Let me look at it. Okay. The things are really, really tiny on there. Okay, maybe that's not for that. I don't know. I think it is, but we'll try to go for this little hole. It's always hard to get these on, don't you think? But I love the lobster claw. Okay. I'm really prefer the lobster claw. Okay, so let's see. Ah, yeah, look, it's so cute. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute. Yep. Okay, so this club is only like $10 a month and you get a surprise. And it's sort of cute. I like I wasn't expecting cherries, so that was cool. I think I also get necklaces and I get bracelets. So I never know what I'm gonna get. So okay, I'm pretty happy. The quality seems pretty good. Let's see. The quality looks pretty decent. It's pretty nice. I'm not sure what the red circles are. Probably some kind of a resin. I noticed a little bit of excess glue on the thing right there on the... See, there's a little excess glue. You can see it. Yeah, I'll take a picture. Okay, it's pretty nice though. I like it. It's cute. Yeah. Very summery for a cold winter day. So we'll look forward to next month's. Yeah, I look forward to next month's. So that was my first look at the Solarie Select Club and my honest reactions. And I'll take some pictures and post them along with my video. So I'll see you next time. Bye now.